Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the secret lucky block. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing a large square shape. Let's draw a line across. Bring it down from each end. And a line across at the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the eyes. We're going to draw two squares. Let's start with two lines down in the center near the top. Then let's bring it out from the top and the bottom. And close it off on the ends. Now let's hop inside each of the eyes and let's draw another square to add a border. Next, inside the center, let's draw the question marks. Let's start by drawing a small line across on the top left. Now let's curve it up and around underneath. And a larger one on top in the same way. And then let's bring it down with two lines. And close it off with a line across at the bottom. Now underneath, let's draw a square shape. And lastly, let's color the rest of the eyes in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop underneath and draw the mouth. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw a small line across. And let's hop out and let's do the same thing underneath each eye in the center. Now let's connect them with a U-shaped curve down and up on both sides. And let's do the same thing underneath. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop out and let's draw the wings. Let's start on top and let's draw two curves out and up. And then a small curve down at the top. Now let's bring it up and curve it down. Another one underneath. Another one again. One going outwards and in. And one more, bringing it back into the body. And that's it for the wings. Lastly, let's move back in and color the body in black. And that's it for the secret lucky block. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!